Good morning. My name is Parvin Singh, and I'm going to present my poster, which is called Gender Patriarchy in Unconventional T Cells, a combined gender dependency study of invariant natural killer T cells, gamma delta T cells, and mucosa-associated invariant T cells. So, unconventional T cells are non-MHC restricted T cells, unlike the conventional T cells. They are a minor subset of the T cells in the peripheral blood. They start from 0.001%, and there have been various studies which have been which have shown the association of this unconventional T cells in immune-mediated disorders, just such as autoimmunity, inflammation, infections, and various allergies and cancers as well. And their association with the decrease in number and as well as their phenotypical changes have been associated with these diseases. In this study, we have identified the unconventional T cells using a multicolor flow cytometric panel, and you can see on the right hand side these are the multicolor flow cytometric panel to identify the iNKT cells, MAIT cells, and the gamma delta T cells here. And the sample numbers have been divided on the basis of the gender, and a total of 94 samples have been collected in the male group, and a total of 109 samples have been collected in the female group. And these were the healthy adult Caucasian population. The descriptive statistics of the unconventional T cells have been calculated here, and they have been categorized as the male group and the female group to see the differences between them. And this flow cytometric value contains the T cell percentage of the unconventional T cells here. And we have also calculated the absolute number of the iNKT cells, gamma delta T cells, and MAIT cells in both of the group. Figure 2 is representing the comparison of the unconventional T cells between the gender, and the iNKT cells shows the iNKT cells and gamma delta T cells both shows the significant differences between the gender except for the MAIT cells. And the similar result we have also obtained in the case of the absolute number of the iNKT cells, and the gamma delta T cells shows the significant differences between the gender, and the MAIT cell doesn't show any significant difference. Interestingly, the T cells, which are these are the conventional T cells, they also shows the differences between the genders, where the females have higher number of the T cells than the males. And in figure 3, we have correlated the age of the age with the unconventional T cells, and we have separated the data based on their gender. And the panel A belongs to the male group, and panel B belongs to the female group. And except for the iNKT cells in the male, we have found negative correlations of the unconventional T cells in all the data sets. For example, iNKT cells and the gamma delta T cells and MAIT cells. And the iNKT cells in the male group doesn't show any negative correlation with the age. To conclude this study, we have found the gender-dependent variation in the case of the iNKT cells and the gamma delta T cells. In females, the iNKT cells numbers are higher than the males, and in males, the gamma delta T cells are higher in males than the female. And this gender-dependent variation is not observed in the case of the MAIT cells. And also, all the unconventional T cells supports the immunosensors, except for the iNKT cells in the males. And thank you so much for attending this session. Have a good day.